Alas 12 na ng gabi guys. At katatapos natin mag-alis ng strap, chain, at saka bandes ng ating karga. Nandito tayo sa customer guys. Yan. Yan. So, update tayo guys. Because we receive an information from our hiring officer guys in our company. And according to our hiring officer, disclaimer muna guys. I'm not given any authority, written or verbal, from our company to hire any person to come in our company. I will just relay or disseminate information according to the group chat we have received from our hiring officer. But that information is very reliable because that information is coming from our hiring officer guys. So now, according to our hiring officer guys, our company is on the process of applying Lamia. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Hindi pa formal ang hiring. So they can only hire guys when time comes na mayroon na silang Lamia, na makuhang Lamia, and that's the time na pwede na silang mag-issue ng job offer. So ngayon pa lang, ngayong time pa, ang status ng hiring ay manpower pooling muna guys. Hindi siya actual or formal hiring sa kumpanya. So because the hiring status will become formal only when the application for Lamia is approved. But according to the rules and the new immigration proposal law, medyo mahigpit guys. But in the list of provinces, Moncton, the city of Moncton is one of the city that was given leniency to apply for labor market impact assessment guys. So ngayon pa lang, ang ibig sabihin lang ng hiring officer namin ay we will be recommending someone kung sino ang pwedeng mag-apply for the future references. So yung mga gustong mag-apply inside Canada guys, pwede kayong mag-apply na ngayon, but this is not in the formal process because the company is still in the process of applying for Lamia. So therefore it is still in the manpower pooling process pa lang. So kung maka-apply kayo ngayon, para kung sakaling magkaroon ng Lamia, at least mas maganda, priority kayo kung ma-interview or ano pa ang procedure niyan guys. So yan guys, ang update natin. Magandang gabi, magandang hapon, boom tarat-tarat.